Lately, there have been very little news about FastHTML in the media, but work on that platform has not gone stale. No. Plenty is happening in the repositories. Here are some news on FastHTML as of June 25. Ever wanted a video running on your web application? What about integrating a YouTube video in your app? As of 1st of April 25, you can. To integrate a video, you just call the YouTube embed function and give the video ID as a parameter. There are also some other parameters you can choose to change. They all have default values. You can change the width and height if you want to change the size. You can set the start time to something else but 0 if you want to skip an intro here and there. And you can set no controls to false or true depending on if you want to have your client be able to control the video flow. And then you can set the title of the video presentation. And this is what an embedded video looks like with controls. Very similar to a normal YouTube interface. And below it, we have the same video without controls. Now, how would you use this feature? Want even more inspiration for your FastHTML projects? Just subscribe and they'll come running for you. Next inspiration for you is a proposed news feed app doing an RSS News Feed application. This is not merged into the examples yet, but we can inspect the merge request and see what it does. Link in the description. Here is what it looks like reading the RSS feed. And then what happens when you click more. A nifty little app, don't you think? And for reference, it is using the Python package feed parser. Doesn't this inspire you to do some RSS projects of your own? Do you remember that FastHTML is using Pico CSS as the default styling of all applications? At least that is the default styling. But now the developers behind FastHTML is coming out with their new user interface. It's called MonsterUI. And as of 1st of April 25, FastHTML can use MonsterUI as an alternative. MonsterUI is based on Tailwind and built on top of the packages FrankenUI and DaisyUI. It's also using the Python packages Mistletoe for Markdown and Highlight.js for code highlighting. To use it, we need to do 3 magical things. First, install the Python package MonsterUI. Second, choose which color theme we want to use in the headers. And 3, just include those headers when we create our application. Now, here we can see an example using the old Pico CSS. And here we can see an example with the new MonsterUI. Now this MonsterUI thingy is quite a big one, so I think there will be an explicit video about everything that you can do with it coming later this autumn. So stay tuned for that one. I do hope that these pieces of news inspired some new thoughts and new project ideas on your behalf. And do comment below what you plan to use these features for. So the development of the FastHTML platform is far from dead. I'll be back later with some more FastHTML updates and news and some more inspiration for you. Until then, keep coding.